represent the inequality that is minus 3 less than x less than 5, whereas x belongs to I integers, that too graphically. So, here the solution starts now. The given inequation is of minus 3 less than x less than 5 is the given inequation. Along with this, so here x belongs to integers. So, x belongs to I, that means implies x belongs to integers 0, plus 1, plus 2, plus 3 and so on, minus 1, minus 2 and minus 3 and so on. So, these are the values of the x. Then now let us choose the values which satisfies this condition or the inequality. So, here that implies minus 3 less than x less than 5 implies. So, here minus 3 less than x values. So, here x values are of, we have to choose the values of x which are in between minus 3 and as well as 5. So, minus 3 and as well as 5. So, here between minus 3 and as well as 5, plus 3 comma plus 4 comma plus 5. So, between we have to choose the values between minus 3 and as well as 5. So, here values of x are between minus 3 and as well as 5. So, between minus 3 and as well as 5, the values are of minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2 and 3 and 4. So, here those are of minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. So, only these values will satisfy this inequality. So, less than 5. So, here less than 5. Let us check up. So, minus 3 is less than minus 2 and this minus 2 is less than 5, holds good, and minus 3 is less than minus 1 and this minus 1 is less than 5, also holds good. Whereas, here minus 3 is less than 1, positive 1, that negative is less than positive 1 always, then the 1 is less than 5. Similarly, minus 3 is less than 4 and this 4 is less than 5. So, these are the values of x, that is the solution set. Therefore, the solution set equals to, therefore, the solution set equals to minus 2 comma minus 1 comma 0 comma 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4. So, we have to represent all these by means of on the number line. So, here by showing the solution set on number line, then now, so minus 2 to plus 4. So, here the number line is of, so this is the number line on which zero, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and so on. So, here the values are of 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, positive 5, positive 6 on the right hand side, and similarly minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4 and minus 5 on the left side. So, here minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4 and minus 5, you have to represent the solution set. The solution set is of minus 2 to plus 4. So, here we have to represent minus 2 2 plus 4. So, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3 and as well as 4. So, here the solution set is represented by means of the thick dotted lines. So, here the solution set is represented on number line by means of thick dotted ones or thick dots. So, here in solving linear equations of single variable, single, that is one variable. So, while we are solving the linear equations of single variable, the rules that to be followed are of here the rules to be followed while solving a linear equation of single variable are of the first rule. That is, we can add same number or same expression, same number or expression to both sides of the inequality. So, here in this manner, in the first step I say here, first rule, we can add up the same number or the same expression on both sides of an inequality. Then the second rule is off. Even we can subtract. So, here we can subtract same number or same expression from both sides of the inequality. Then the third rule is off. We can multiply both sides by same positive number. Similarly, as in the last step, that is the fourth rule. So, here we can divide both sides by same positive number. So, these are the four rules that to be implemented while performing the solving, that is solving the linear inequation of single variable. We can add up the same number or same expression on both sides of the inequality. We can subtract even the same number and the same expression from the both sides of an inequality. We can multiply same positive number on both sides of the inequality. Similarly, we can multiply or divide, I say here, both sides of the inequality by means of the same number. Then, but when we multiply or divide by means of the same negative number, so here then the inequality or the inequation changes its direction. So, this is the note. When we multiply or divide the inequality, by the same negative integer or the by same negative number. So, when we multiply or divide the inequality by means of the same negative number, then the inequation changes its direction. For instance, let us perform one example. So, example is of if x is less than 7, so here by multiplying with minus, so by multiplying, when we multiply both sides by means of the negative number, by multiplying both the sides by negative number. So, here I am going to suppose that as minus 1. So, now that implies, so here x less than 7 is the given inequality. So, here as per the problem I have to multiply. So, here both sides by means of minus 1. So, here x multiplied by means of minus 1, then now here, so here 7 multiplied by means of minus 1, then if it is multiplied, then automatically the sign, the inequality sign will be changed. So, here less than becomes here greater than. So, here that implies, so minus into x is what I say x greater than. So, here 7 into what I say here minus 7. So, minus x minus 1 into x is of minus x greater than minus 1 into 7 is of minus 7. So, symbol will be changed. So, similarly, let us perform one more example, that is example number 2. So, in another example, if 2x minus 5 is greater than or equal to 8, then if it is multiplied by means of minus 3, so here by multiplying inequality by minus 3, then the condition will be off. Then that implies, say minus 3 into 2x minus 5, which is on the left hand side, then now greater than or equal to become less than or equal to, so 8 multiplied by means of minus 3. So, here that implies minus 3 into 2 is of 6x, minus is of plus, 3 5 is of 15. So, here less than or equals to minus 8 3 is of 24, or in other words it can also be written as positive 15 in front, then now here minus 6x, then less than or equals to minus 24. So, in this manner, when we multiply an inequality with a negative number, then the sign, the inequality sign will be changed, its direction. So, greater than or equal to becomes here less than or equal to. Therefore, 15 minus 6x is less than or equal to, so minus 24.